welcome back. I hope you are enjoying my training videos. I really enjoyed practicing and all these lab sessions. As you know, we have done the create your first Amazon RDS database last time, if you've seen the video. And now we are going to practice other lectures, which are showing 10 minutes, but last one wasn't 10 minutes for me. Now we are going to create Amazon database Aurora. So we are going to start with this one, and we are going to follow up the tutorial and see how long it will take. It says cost to complete less than $1, so it will cost you a little bit for this one. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will learn how to configure and connect to Amazon Aurora Serverless. Amazon Aurora is a relational database service with MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible editors, which offers the performance and availability of enterprise databases at a fraction of the cost. So this is not going to be free. I'm going to sign into the console, AWS console, and I believe this is my own console, so I need my own password. It's not going to be a console that's in the test environment, as some of the courses are, some of the hands-on experiences are like this. I just signed in. I'm going to take this one out so it's easier for me to follow up. Just use the same thing, I think. Okay, let's go. Implementation. Navigate to RDS console. This is my RDS just right here. Create Aurora database. On the databases dashboard, create database on the RDS. Okay, databases, create database. Okay, choose database creation method, standard create, engine options. Standard create engine option is Aurora. Edition, in the edition radio button, select Amazon Aurora MySQL. MySQL, okay, compatible. Then select the database version that offers serverless option. Database option. As serverless option, as of writing, the option is available with versions. Okay, let's see. This is okay. This one is too okay. That's the same one. In the templates pane, select developer test and dev test. Okay. In the settings pane, in the DB cluster identifier field, enter my cluster name. DB cluster, my cluster name, my cluster name. Admin, master password. What will be the password? Set the master username, master password fields, values choice of your choice. Okay. Min one. Okay, and then in the instance configuration section, this must be 8 characters, so let's try. Not much. Okay, now it's okay. Instance configuration, memory optimized classes includes R classes. same. Don't create Aurora replica. Availability, don't create Aurora replica. And next one, connectivity section in the virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud. Create new VPC. Create new DB subnet group. This is selected, and then VPC group. Create new. Public access is no. My cluster group. My cluster group. Group name. My group. Availability zone, no preference. Password authentication, same. And now I guess you can change the KMS key, enabling performance inside. Okay. There is turn on performance inside. When does it say here? I will just close. This one doesn't show. Maybe it's a new configuration. There is monitoring additional configuration. No. Okay, this one doesn't have the instructions. It's something probably added later. Additional configuration and then create database. Now, after it's created, my cluster name instance successfully created my cluster name, and now we are going to see my cluster name details screen will load. This screen contains tabs to view connectivity, security, monitoring, information, logs and events, configuration details, and maintenance and backups and tags from the connectivity security tab. Record the VPC value and endpoint values for use later in tutorial. Okay, we are going to need VPC value and endpoint value. Okay, let's go here. It's still creating. Okay, so it took a while, and I've done that one as well. Okay, took that here. Now I'm going to follow up the next instruction. Cloud DB cluster and cloud. We are going to go to Cloud9 environment now. Cloud9. Okay, and now let me see. On the cloud, create environment, my cloud environment, create environment. This one I will just deactivate, delete this one. It's from my previous video, my previous study. I'm going to delete this one. So I'm just going to start and create a new one. So this is called my Cloud9 environment, my Cloud9 env. Okay, next step. Let me see. Name environment. New EC2 instance existing. Let me see. Create a new instance. Environment instance type is T2 micro. Okay, Amazon. Create new EC2 instance. Because see the page screens are a little bit different, but it's all the same logic. Linux 2. After 30 minutes default, we are not going to change this part. Okay, and now because Aurora Serverless database cluster do not have publicly accessible endpoints, your My Cluster name can only be accessed from within the same VPC. To place My Cloud9 environment in the same VPC as My Cluster name, scroll down the Configure Settings screen and expand the Network Settings Advanced section. Network Settings, VPC Settings, Network VPC, okay, subnet. Which one shall we choose? VPC with your recorded step. Next step. Okay. This is probably the one I created previously. From Network VPC dropdown, select My Cluster Name, VPC which you recorded. Let me see which one is it. Okay. Ends with 912. This one. And with the subnet, not default. Don't know which one. Network save. From Network VPC drop, select My Cluster VPC you recorded. Select next. For the subnet, no preference maybe. And tags. Create environment, environment name and settings. This one doesn't have that. Tags optional. Okay. The following IAM resources will be created in your account. Service. It gives me which roles will be created. It says create environment. I am just going to create this one. It's creating. And next, we are going to go to VPC. In this step, you will enable network access from Cloud9 environment to your serverless database cluster. To accomplish this task, you will add the security group assigned to My Cloud environment as a traffic source for the security group assigned to My Cluster name. A security group is a virtual firewall that controls network traffic in your network. To make navigation easier, load the AWS Web Console in another browser. Tap by clicking here in the new browser window and then VPC in the search from the list. VPC dashboard page. VPC. Shall I open it in a new page? Go to security groups. Somewhere here. Where was it? Here. Okay. AWS Cloud, My Cluster, AWS Cloud, this one. Group name. In the group name column, find the security group begins with AWS Cluster. Okay, name the group ID, not the group ID of this security group. Group ID. Group name, group ID. I'll take this and security group ID. Okay. Now not the group ID. As an example of the screenshot to right, you will note the security group that ends with your group ID will be different than pictured in the screen. Okay, on the security groups, my cluster group. On the security groups, my cluster group, inbound rules, MySQL Aurora, inbound rules, MySQL Aurora. In the add rule, here have actions, edit inbound rules. How do we add that? Add rule, MySQL. Okay, custom 4E0D. 0D, only that. 4E0D. Not found. Says it has to be specified, but it doesn't show me. I believe some of them are not really updated, so you'll have to choose this one and save rules. Now, in the step from Cloud9 environment, you will access your Aurora Serverless database cluster. Switch back to My Cloud environment browser window. Okay. In here, in the bash terminal here, in the version My Cloud, type the following command. Substitute your master username and database endpoint values command. Okay, here, let's go. Shall we just open? Okay. Your master username. What's my cluster name? Master. It was only admin, I think. I'll just type it here. The name is admin. And this is my endpoint here. Okay, so this is my, going to type it in the environment. Let's see what happens. So asks for password. Not able to type, sorry. So I'm not able to connect to cluster, Aurora cluster. Let's try again. I am not able to enter my password. Don't know why. Doesn't accept the password. This is okay, and then it doesn't get there. No. And because I can't enter, I need to get this message. But it doesn't come up. Administrator. No, it doesn't work. I even asked to, because I'm not able to connect. Can't get to databases. Okay, and it should have worked. I don't know what is wrong here, but later terminate resources. Now we can then terminate the resources. Don't know, maybe it's my plan or something that I'm not able to connect. It doesn't let me enter my password. But I will just go to RDS and terminate. Relational database service. Okay. Databases. It shows available. One instance. Not sure why it doesn't work. Okay. And now I'm going to just select and delete. Delete me. Okay, it's deleting. And the cloud environment, go to here, Cloud9. My cloud, delete under my cloud and delete, like delete. Sorry, I'm not sure why I was not able to connect, but this was all for today. Now we learned how to configure, deploy, and delete Docker-enabled application to Amazon ECS. Amazon ECS is a highly scalable, high-performance container management service that supports Docker containers and allows you to easily run applications on a managed cluster of Amazon EC2 instances. I will see you in my next video. Bye!